Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Ekeu-wei. I'm a researcher at Lancaster University. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of work on hydrology recently, and trying to get some discharge data and all that for long-term periods. And yeah, I find out that getting this data, there are a whole lot of missing components available in it as well. So I'm trying to figure out like different techniques to be able to fill that out. Yeah, there's a whole lot of work done on missing data, lots of literature out there, and basically the fundamental idea is that you have to do something about the missing data, else it's gonna have lots of impact on your study. So basically it can influence your predictive power of your study, and it could also impact on the variance as well of your data. So this is like a sample data. This is actually from my sample, but I decided to remove some of the data in there and name them as not applicable or not available, something like that, that works in R. So the idea is to try to fill up all this, and here we're trying to use a technique called AMELIA, but before then there are some work that has to be done first, because we need to be able to ascertain what type of missing this is. And there's a whole bunch of research out there that talks about the missing completely at random, missing at random, and missing not at random. And the fundamental thing is you want your data to be missing completely at random or missing at random, so that you can apply some of the statistical techniques to it. So this video is basically to test that, to see how this is gonna work. There's a package in R called the Little Missing Completely at Random test by that's the name of the package there, below ed sign, something like that. And basically this is the reference for the test. So so I'm not going to talk a lot about the literature aspect. This is just the application in R, but there's a whole lot of videos out there as well, so if you're interested in that, you can always go back and try to sort that out. So first, what we try to do is install the package. I've already done the installation, the videos on installation, so I just add the library there, and this MVN MLE package also have to be added too, so add both of those. Then I'll try to bring my data in, and I indicate that I have a header there, so you see this changes. So if I say no, you see it's not there on the so that's the idea. I have my NA, which is for the not applicable, and I have my data displayed here. You see the not applicable means there's no data in there. So the null hypothesis here is that the null hypothesis is that the data is not missing completely at random. That's the null hypothesis, and the idea is you want to get a result that rejects that hypothesis, meaning it's not significant. So you can try to do a little bit of things like that. So I go back to the this you can get online, and basically you want to just take this and bring it here. And since you're working with data, I'll just type that. It has to be not in capital letter, so it matches. Yeah, so that's basically the data there, and you enter. So these are some very nice results you can see here. and this is yeah, the chi-square, and this is the degree of freedom, and this is your p-value. And this is the part you really want to look into, because if it was less than 0.05, then you know that it's significant, but since it's 0.11, then you know that it's insignificant. Hence we reject the null hypothesis, meaning that this data here, the missing values, are completely at random. So you see the data is displayed here, and the missing ones are displayed here as well. So basically that's the idea. And when you get something like this, yeah, we're all happy. And then in the next video I'll talk about how we can fill this up and try to get some interesting results from it as well. Yeah, so we're looking at the AMELIA. I haven't seen any videos out there that displays how we can use AMELIA in R. So yeah, it would be a good idea to try to sort that out. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. Drop your comments and suggestions. It's my first time using this as well, so I have so much to learn too. Alright, bye.